Hello, my name is Ashley Johnson. I'm originally from Cedar Rapids, Iowa, but I now live in Island Park, Idaho. Something interesting about myself, I have a 3.5, almost 4-month old daughter. Her name's Eowyn. It's from Lord of the Rings. And how I hope to apply what I learned in this course is that I just hope to make or learn how to make like my classroom just unified, and we can take the diversity we have but still and embrace it but still be like one group. And anything else that will help the class get to know me, I'll do pictures at the end in a second, so that will help you get to know me. From the learning style activity, I was kind of surprised at what I got, because I got abstract sequential, and I started reading like what that meant and immediately was like, no, this is wrong. But there were parts of it that were like spot on, and honestly it's probably all right. I just tell myself that it's not. So there's that. So now I'll show the pictures. So the first picture right here, I was called to serve in the Canada Montreal Mission February 2018. This is from the MTC because I had to come home from the MTC, but I was there for about a little over a month, and learned French, loved it, but had to come home for health reasons. And then last February of 2019, I got married to Sam in the Rexburg Temple. We actually met online and got married 6 months later, but that's just what happens. And then in January, our daughter Eowyn was born. She was the first baby born in Cedar Rapids. She was born at 1:13 on January 1st this year, and she's just an absolute joy, and we can't imagine life without her. So that is about me, and I'm excited to get to know some of you, or all of you, and yeah, thank you guys. Have a good day.